Welcome back YouTube. We're here for another go-karting video, but today I've got a special one with you. I've got two of my boys with me today. First one is Angelo, and the other one, you know this guy, it's Thomas. Roll the clip. Oh, I told you it's gonna be Thomas. I called it from the start that you're gonna spin out here. Roll the clip. We're in a wet session today, so we've got two races back to back on the LakeSide track, and it's going to be a crazy one. A lot of spins from Thomas, but we'll see how we go. The best man win. Almost ready to go. We're on the waiting bay area. Let's have a look on the track. So we're just waiting here now, waiting to go on the track. As I said, two sessions. It's in the wet. We can't go full pelt, but Thomas will probably spin again. As you all seen before, I know you guys are tuning into this video just to see Thomas spin. It's going to happen. We assume that he's going to go into the lake, and the first person in history to be craned out of the lake. So he bought his jeans to go-karting, fashion skate for him, and we also got his pole for video. He's going to have a camera mounted as well. So we'll see how we go. All right, fellas, we're on. It's a wet track. It's been pretty slippery for everyone behind us. So we've got to take it easy for now. Learn the road. And then see how it's like. It is quite slippery. Very slippery. Very slippery. Very slippery. And just hit me. It's yellow flag, bro! It's raining a little bit now. And it's gonna take it easy. It's really bad there. Very bad. Alright, now I've got to lock in and see how I go. Bro! Got him on camera, I was trying to lock in. Who's gonna go yellow? Who's going yellow, mate? That's a good power slide. Kick it out a little bit. Throttle it a little bit. Get on the apex. And it was Ange again, boys. It was Ange yet again, spinning there. It's shucketing down now. And Ange spun, and I spun as well. We both spun. Turbulent air. He's off, he's off! He's off! We're getting drenched. Absolutely drenched. Absolutely drenched! I stay too close to him, I get fucking... my legs are soaked now. Just follow Angie. Oh, I am wet.
I was braking there. Shouldn't brake. And there too. That's my worst corner. There he goes. There he goes. Got him. Just patience, boys. Race 2, boys. Race 2. We're on. You can't. Amateurs. Oh, what a take by the muckies! What a maneuver! Maneuver by the Max! By the Max! That was embarrassing, and that was Thomas got me on video. This is going to be a hot lap. It's going to be a push lap, push lap, push lap, push lap. Lock in! Let's go. Take on the corner on the apex. Full throttle, hard brake, hard brake, hard brake. Get through, cut the corner as you do. Hard on the accelerator, do a drift. Counter steer that. Full lock as we go here. Throttle, hard acceleration as we are drifting through the corner. Hard acceleration, hard in, hard brake a little bit. Let it slide, let it kick out. Feather the throttle. Hit the apex. Second to last corner. Hard on the brakes. Put it in the apex. Just slightly on the accelerator. And then let the car drift and dance to the start finish line. And there's a hot lap at Le Mans in the rain, in the wet, treacherous conditions. This is crazy. We are just like Max Verstappen in the wet. Feathering it as we're power sliding the corner, just ever so slightly, get to that nice drift. Full lock in there, some guys crash, and I'm not going to crash in because I'm a gentleman. And then we just drift it, spin it for the finish line. That was quite a session. It's Thomas again, it's Thomas again. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that was a wild ride. Alright, that's a wrap here at Le Mans. The wet session, a night wet session with the boys. It was literally the craziest experience. As you've seen, it's literally, I am soaked. I had to change. It is, well, look, it was the best thing ever. The boys had fun. But yeah, hope you liked the video. So like and subscribe and stay tuned for the more content for go-karting on this channel. And are you recording? No, it will turn off.